Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Aqara motion sensors with SmartThings step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have your Aqara motion sensor and a compatible SmartThings hub. Download the Aqara Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Make sure your SmartThings hub is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Aqara Home app and tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Motion Sensor from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your motion sensor into pairing mode. Typically, this involves pressing the reset button on the sensor until you see a blinking light. Once in pairing mode, the Aqara Home app should detect the motion sensor. Confirm the connection within the app when prompted. If you have multiple Aqara devices, label each one for easy identification later. Next, open the SmartThings app on your phone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device in SmartThings. Choose Aqara from the list of compatible brands. Follow the prompts to connect your Aqara account with SmartThings. Once connected, tap on Add Device to search for the motion sensor. The app will search and should find the motion sensor you just added in Aqara Home. Select the motion sensor from the list to add it to your SmartThings setup. Now you can customize the settings for your motion sensor in SmartThings. Adjust parameters like sensitivity and notification preferences as desired. Consider creating automation routines that use the motion sensor to trigger lights or alarms. Test the functionality by walking in front of the sensor and checking the response in the SmartThings app. If everything is working correctly, you have successfully integrated your Aqara motion sensor with SmartThings. Consider placing the sensor in strategic locations for optimal coverage. You can now enjoy automated control in your smart home setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.